Hello friends, in the last session we learned the basics of Docker volumes, and then we also saw how Docker volumes works and how Docker volumes remain safe even when the Docker containers using those Docker volumes are stopped or deleted. Now friends, let us continue to learn more about Docker volumes in this session. And here friends, in this session we are going to see how we can run the new data container by using the volumes of other existing Docker container. So friends, before beginning, let us first verify whether the container which we created in the last session still exists or not. So let us go to the putty command line terminal. And here friends, let us execute the docker ps-a command. And here we can see that the container which we created in the last session still exists and is in the stopped status right now. So now friends, let us run a new container with name volume container 3, and let us run this new container by using the volume of this existing container volume container 2. So friends, the command for creating the new container by using the existing container docker volume is docker run -it and then -- volumes -from equal to the container's name from which the volume is to be taken, which is volcon2 in our case, and then as usual the -- name option for specifying the container name. So let us give the container name as volume container 3, and then the image name, and then finally the Linux bash shell. So friends, if you have observed that this time we did not give the host machine's volume directory path or docker containers volume directory path using the -v option in this docker run command. Instead, here we simply gave the container's name from which the volume needs to be borrowed in the new container. So now friends, let us run this container and see if the volume data comes in the new container or not. So let us press enter here to execute this docker container. And now friends, we are inside this volume container 3 container. And so now let us go to the container's volume directory location, which will be /volumes/container-volume. That is, the volume directory for this new container will be same as the container from which the volume is taken. So cd and then volumes and then container-volume. And now friends, let us also see the content of this directory by executing the ls-l command. And here we can see friends that the volume data which we created while executing the volcon2 container is now appearing inside this newly created container. So friends, this is how we can share the docker volumes among and across the multiple docker containers. Also friends, this is the way we can run any new container by using the old container's volume by knowing only the old container's name and without using the -v option. So friends, with this we have seen how we can create the new container by sharing the existing container's docker volume, and we achieved this by using the --volumes -from option in the docker run command. Now friends, let us see another important concept related to management of data inside the Docker world, that is Docker data containers, in the next session. So friends, see you in the next session. Till then, take care, tata, bye bye.